Yeah, I've gone through hell for the last 4 years. Fortunately, I had people who supported me,
Right.
including my legal team, which appeared pro bono,
Right.
because as a government servant, I don't have the resources
Sure.
for engaging top-notch lawyers.
Right.
And they presented the case most effectively. They worked extremely hard, dug out records, and the decision which has come is a result of all the hard work put in by my lawyers and
Of course, your faith in the
faith in the
judicial
judicial
Right.
system.
Sir, do you think at some level the entire case was actually politically motivated, given that in the previous regime this 2002 spectrum allocation case was suddenly dug out, and do you think at some level it was part of a larger political scheme?
I would only not go into conjectures, but I would only say I retired from government service in 2002, and after nearly 10 years, something was dug out and pulled me out of retirement and gave me nightmares for 4 years.
Absolutely. Sir, my final question to you is that the entire case was around the first come, first serve policy. That stands vindicated. The telecom company stands vindicated. How big a relief do you think this will be for the sector at large, given that you have been a former telecom secretary yourself?
I would just like to add a caveat. It was not first come, first serve. It was based on the allocation of additional spectrum was based on reaching a particular subscriber base.
Right. Of course, yes.
And those who reached the subscriber base, all of them got it.
Right.
Not a company or a B company, including the public sector companies. Once they reached the base,
Right. It was
it was
subscriber linked criteria.
subscriber linked,
Right.
and it has been followed through thereafter.
Right. And so how big a relief will this be for the sector at large, given that in the last 3 to 4 years, there have just been a lot of litigation in the sector?
I'm sorry, I will not be able to forecast the future of the sector, because I thought we have achieved tremendously in this sector and practically covered the entire country with communication, which was the new telecom policy of 1999 and which was all implemented practically during the time I spent in Sanchar Bhavan.
My final question to you, sir. There were also remarks that were made against the CBI as well in terms of, what should be the role of the agency? It should not be chasing frivolous cases, really. Do you think that actually has huge ramifications going forward for India as a whole as well?
Yeah, I suppose everybody has to be fair, and the judge has been very fair. He has given a very fair judgment, and the process will go from this onwards.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.